snake blood at the park. Where's he going? Look at that. Garter snake. You see that? Yeah, he try to. Where? I'm recording them. Oh, you got scared? My dog got scared. No, the other way, you can get run over by a damn a bike. Go to the woods. No, I ain't touching that. I'm straight. Going the wrong way, buddy. I think we want to go where the woods is at. Over there. Where are you going? You get run over by bikes, e-bikes come through here, skateboarders. It's how going, or she going. Go, go. Keep going. I'm not touching you. Save herself. Chase it back to the woods so on cross the rock path and get run over by or stepped on. See how people run bikes? People don't see these. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Go in the woods. Go where them bushes at. Go. Keep going. Go all through the woods. So you hear like mopeds. My dog got scared. But he could have got hit, ran over. See? He could have got ran over. There's a lot of traffic going on around here in this walkway. Or this walk path. He's right there. Alright, see you, buddy.